I Simran and I here with Rashtriya Ekta Divas place. So I request you to all to take a place and oath with me. I solemnly place that I dedicated myself preserve the unity, integrity and security of the nation and also strive hard to spread this message among my fellow countrymen. I take this place in the spirit of unification of my country, which was made possible by the vision and actions of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. I also solemnly resolve to make my own contribution to ensure internal security of my country. Thank you.